Let's start. Try again. Still can't start. Do you know the reason? Let's go to the front. When I saw this car, I knew what the problem was. Come and see. That's it. Oxygen sensor. Let's take it apart today and take a look. My God, there's so much carbon deposits on this. Next, we will clean it. Now the oxygen sensor has been cleaned. Next, we install it back. Okay, now the oxygen sensor is installed. Next, let's get in the car and try to see if we can start a fire. If the car can start, don't forget to give me a red heart to support me. Come, we start.